Welcome guys, I'm Nick and today I start again a ride for a long time. I don't remember last time when I ride because the weather is not good. In the last month I think raining every day. And I went to see the sun, and now is 6:41 p.m. A late ride, but what can I do? Today is 29th November, and the weather in Australia is not good. Windy, raining. The sun stays hidden. I put the Versys in the garage for 2 months, maybe 1 month, 2 months, and I take the BM because no ride in the last 6 months. The Versys is so nice to jump and discover new places in Namaji National Park, off-road of course, and it's so light to jumping there and to ride fast. But after that, when I change the bike and I take BMW, I feel very heavy. I was so scared to move the bike from inside to outside the garage because so heavy, but now it's okay. I make short ride in Canberra, and now I'm okay with the bike. A big difference by acceleration between Versys and BM, because Versys make just sound and BM it's like a rocket. No many rides at this time. Maybe they are at home, drink a beer or take the dinner. So crazy. Easy boy. And red traffic light? Yeah, it's red. Yeah. Very cloudy outside. but 18 degrees I think. It's not too cold. Oh, crazy river. Here is a camping, look, nice. Preparing the dinner. It's time to make a visit, but I'm full. And now here is a dam, a Kotar dam. And I think the water is over the dam because it's raining too much in the last month. Oh no, it's not over. Oh yeah, it's over. Look, it's amazing. It's time to make a stop here. One sec. Very nice. Swimming time. If I want to be frozen. Oh, nobody here.